Hi, welcome to our meditation and mindfulness today. My name is Skyla Ramirez. All audio, all video has been disabled as this session is being recorded for the city of Plano. Let's begin by simply noticing the breath in the body. And as we notice the breath in the body, maybe just noticing where is the path of least resistance. Naturally, as we inhale, the breath is moving down into the lungs, but there may be other parts of the body that just appear to receive the breath with a little less effort. These effortless places could be found low in the hips, the low back. Sometimes we notice the breath moves all the way down into the knees and feet, or it could even move up into the shoulders, into the chest space. Noticing what part of the body is most open to receive the breath. From this place where the body gives us the most receptivity to the breath, noticing if we can expand the breath out from that place. Beginning to fill the whole body with breath, with little to no effort. We're continuing to notice the breath in the body, and at some point, we're shifting our awareness to the energetic movement of the breath only. So our physical breath naturally moves down into the lungs, and when we exhale, it comes up and out of the body. If we notice the energetic breath, as we inhale, it moves straight up into the middle part of the brain, and then it moves out from the center of the mind space, leaving from the very middle of the forehead, out of the third eye. Imagine the breath like two blue rays of light, one moving into each nostril. As we breathe in, this blue light moves straight up into the middle of the mind space, into the pineal gland. And then as we exhale, the breath leaves as a single ray of white light, leaving from the center of the brain, out the third eye, this single ray of white light. We can follow it, noticing that it will illuminate the space around us, seeing through the mind's eye. Cycling through this creative visualization with each rhythmic inhale and exhale, breathing in single rays of blue light, a silver blue energy, the energy of the moon. Noticing that we're able to draw this light into the very middle of the mind. Exhaling, this energy is transformed into a single radiant beam of white light, moving out from the middle of the brain, out the middle of the forehead, shedding light on the space, the energy, and the realities around us. We may or may not see the light. We can always seek awareness of the light. As we inhale, the energy of a blue moon, it's expansive in nature. It's light, buoyant. As we exhale the bright white light, perhaps we sense the memory of expansion and the memory of buoyancy, ultimately, with the white light, as we sense its presence, there is no weight. There is no expansion or contraction. There is pure awareness of being. Inhaling a spirit of consciousness that is expansive in nature, light, holding on to that memory in the body of feeling light, buoyant, expansive. Exhaling a sense of pure consciousness. To replenish some of the energetic components in our body, we can add into this sound, sensing that light carries sound. As we inhale the energy of the moon, these two blue rays of light to the middle of the brain, we absorb the sound ah. And as we exhale the single ray of white light with a place of pure consciousness, we hear the sound ooh, as pure consciousness eliminates any ego, any energies that may be presenting themselves as fear, guilt, shame, grief, lies, denial and illusions, all these things connected to ego, letting them go with this white light, expanding consciousness. Using the next quiet minute to inhale ah and exhale ooh. And maybe in our minds, maybe there's a part of us that responds and says, I am free of these ego-based energies. Just in case the body, the emotional part of us, may be holding on to one of these. Maybe instead of thinking and labeling the emotion, we see it as color. The saying is, when we change the way we look at things, the thing we look at changes. So maybe now we just bring red light into the middle of the mind space. And then exhale, ooh, white light. Letting go of any fear. Next, bringing in orange light into the middle of the mind space. Exhaling white light, letting go of any guilt, anything that we may think, I wish I wouldn't have done that. Breathing in gold, yellow light, and amber colored energy to the middle of the brain. Exhaling white light, letting go of any shame, any thoughts that may be associated with being bad. Breathing in green light, bright emerald green. Exhaling white light, letting go of any grief, any deep-rooted sadness relative to loss or any attachment. Inhaling bright turquoise light to the middle of the brain. Exhaling white light, allowing the body to release any lies, any false beliefs or stories. Breathing in indigo. Exhale white light, letting go of any illusions, any denial. And now breathe in white light. Breathe out white light. Reminding ourselves, I have all the peace. I have all the love. I have all the power in me and all around me to heal. All the peace, all the love, all the power in me and around me to heal. We can deepen our breath, maybe letting go of any visualization, letting go of any sound, letting go of any mantra even. Just being with the breath. This is where it all began. What part of the body is most open to receive the breath? Where does the breath go? Without judgment, simply working with the art of observation and awareness of the life force. Bring awareness to all parts of the body. Deepen the breath. As this concludes our meditation practice, when you're ready, take your time to wiggle fingers and toes, and maybe slowly open the eyes. Drawing in one deep inhale and a bigger exhale. Namaste.